Hey guys, welcome to Shin's TV channel. Thank you for joining, and I'm back with another video.
I gave you my heart.
Hey guys, so today I will be doing, I did an unboxing video on my Instagram. If you want to check it out, my Instagram page is in the bio or an intro below. Okay, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys the product that I got, and I'll be trying it out, basically doing a review on how I like the formula, how it did my eyebrows, if it did it good and stuff. Yeah, my wig is not slayed down, so watch that. I did put a little bit of makeup on my face, like just a natural look. I'm not doing nothing much at all. I just want to do my eyebrows real quick to show you guys this and make this video. So here it goes. So this is from Mostory. In my unboxing I said Mostory, but it's Mostory. They're on Instagram. They have a store on Amazon as well. And so far I like their product. So far I like their packaging. Their packaging is pretty cute. This is the 3-in-1 Supermodel eyebrow pencil in medium brown. That is the darkest shade that they have, and I will show you how it looks. I believe it will match my eyebrow. If not, I have a black eyeliner pencil, just to, because my eyebrows are pretty dark. I have dark eyebrows, really dark eyebrows, like black. And they also sent me this smudge proof wing eyeliner stamp. So it has a pointy part and it has a stamp part. So I'll be trying out both. Yeah. And it's in black, of course. And they sent their mascara. I am not a big fan of mascara, only because it irritates my eyes and I keep forgetting not to itch my eyes and then smudge. But I'm not sure if this is smudge free or nothing. Yes, this should be water free, smudge free. So let's see, because I'm a itch my eye type of person, and I hope it does not irritate my eyes like the other mascaras. And that's the only reason why I don't wear mascaras. Okay, so let's get into it. Boom. Hey guys, I'm back. I went to just shave my eyebrows because it was a bit too much. So I would try this part, and let me tell you, this smooths on perfectly. Like, I love the formula. It feels so high-end, you know, like it's good. It smooths on, no patching, no fault, nothing. It's just so nice and soft, like wow, soft. So now let's go in the shade section to shade it in. Screw that on. Yay, I like it. I really love this. Oh my gosh, it's so nice, so convenient, so good for beginners. Like, this is beginner friendly. Seriously, I love it. And my concealer brush, you know, to clean up my eyebrows and straighten it out more and stuff. the Wings eyeliner smudge free stamp from Mostory. So yes, this one. I did it wrong. I did it wrong. So I messed that up, okay guys? It's not their fault. And I'm not defending them, it's just not their fault. I did it wrong. I felt it. Anyways, I'm gonna try fix it up and I'm gonna use this side. Actually, I'm gonna try back. I'm gonna do the other side with this. And I'm gonna do it better. You see? Wing wing. I messed this up, so I'm gonna wipe it off. So let's do it one more time, since as I know it was my fault, okay? It was my fault. It's not hard. You see? It was my fault. It was all my fault. I love it. It is so quick and easy. Like, look at my wings. Look at my wings. I've never done wings like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so hopefully I don't mess it up. I'm gonna try the pointy part. All the products I've tried so far, they're eye-in. The eyeliner, oh my gosh, normally when I use eyeliner my eyes start to water right away because I can smell the strong chemical or whatever they use. I can smell it. It's so strong, it makes my eye water. I think this so far is the one that I'm most happy for, but I'm happy for all of them and thankful that they sent it to me and they chose me to review their products. So thank you so much again, Mostory. Your products are so amazing. They're eye-hand formula. They do not irritate me so far, and it makes my life easier. So let's try the mascara. That I have created with our must-haves, Mostory eyebrow pencil, eyebrow pen. So this is the look I created. Can you see that? Can you see that way? Mascara is so amazing. Because the other mascaras, when I use it, I can smell it. Just like the eyeliner, I can smell that, you know? And then it irritates my eye immediately. This doesn't do that at all. Not at all. Trust me, it don't. I'm not even lying. I'm not exaggerating. I love this. And when I'm using it, it's so thin and it's not bulgy, so it doesn't go in your eyes easily. I have a limping lash because my lashes are just weak, so it's like just so tiny and straight. You see, it's slim. I love that because you can get under without messing up. It's just that I'm not so used to it yet, but I love it. And now I'll be wearing mascara more often because of Mostory. This is amazing. Just the same, I totally recommend it. It's perfect. Like, the formulas are so high-end and it's not that expensive. I think it's like $4 or something like that on Amazon for one of them, but I'll link the description below where you could get them on Amazon. As I said, I got them for free. I'm very thankful for that, but I'm not like a sponsor. They're not paying me to do this video. I'm just doing it because they sent it to me to review, so I'm reviewing it, being honest, and I love it. And of course, when they are finished, I will be buying more for myself. Trust me, I will be. So and as I said, this is my all-time favorite because I've been struggling for years with eyeliner, with any eyeliner, whether it's wing or not. I've been struggling, and you see this part makes your wing perfect. You can make it bigger if you like, but I just wanted that slim, simple look. And then this part is not hard to deal with like some pointy liquid eyeliner, you know. It's just simple. Trust me guys, it's so worth it. Go and get yours. These are must-haves. Our eyebrow got to be on fleek. If you don't do a full face makeup, like a full eyeshadow and stuff, once your eyebrow is done, maybe have a little eyeliner on, you good. And mascara, once you have eyebrows, mascara, and eyeliner, period, you good. And a little lip gloss. You don't need nothing else. If you like this video guys, hit a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and comment below what you think about my look and the products. So thank you so much for watching.